Okay, so you guys made it. We ran out of room here, but that's all right. So, okay, so you made the next bottom layer. How many squares does it have? We haven't counted yet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9 here, and I'm just gonna count one of these. So that's 16 times 2 is 32 plus 9 is 41.
Okay. So how many is the next layer going to have?
You mean this?
No, the next shape.
It's in 41, it'd be 85.
Okay, it'd be 85. All right, so now let me ask you before we go on, how could you have figured out that there were 41 on the bottom of this thing without building it?
Well, you could look at this one. I think, yeah, this one is 25, the white one.
Uh-huh.
And then you added 5 along here, 5 along here, and then you have 3, and then 3.
Okay. So how many did we add?
So you added, you added 16.
Okay, so we added 25 plus 16, which is
41. 44. No, 41.
So we added 41. So we could have seen that we were going to go up 41 there. And so now we have plus 5, plus 13, plus 25, plus 41. Does that help you at all? Or is that still a little bit of a mystery?
I'm seeing something that might relate to multiples of 4.
Okay.
So this is 1 plus 4 times 1.
Uh-huh.
This is 1 plus 4 times 3.
All right.
This is 1 plus 4 times 6. This is 1 plus 4 times 10.
So
that's
1 plus 4 times
4 times 1 plus 1, 4 times 3 plus 1, 4 times 6 plus 1, 4 times 10 plus 1.
So you're increasing by 2, then 3, then 4.
Wait, but the triangular numbers. The 1, 3, 6, 10.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, the triangular numbers.
All right. So what do you think the next one's going to be?
So that'll be
4 times 15 plus 1.
4 times 15 plus 1.
That'll be 6. Next layer will have 6. We'll add by 61.
Okay, so we think we're going to go plus 61 on the next layer. Let's see. So we're going to have this shape. Sorry for mixing everything in here. We're going to have this shape. Let's get it just right. Where we just added 41 to get to 85 cubes. So, and we think we're going to add 61 on the next layer. So how do we figure out if that's right or not?
So we have 40. So you're going to add 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 to 41.
Okay.
So that you had 20. So yeah, 61.
All right. Ooh, interesting. So you have discovered a way to continue this pattern, and the triangular numbers were hiding
Cool.
in here.
Next one will be 21.
4 times 21 plus 1. Next one over there. So that's cool. That's actually pretty neat that the triangular numbers were hiding in there.
Cool.
Do you see any other pattern going on with 5, 13, 25, 41, and then 61? Here's the eraser.
Still kind of a triangular number pattern.
So we're going plus 5, plus 13, plus 25, plus 41, plus 61. See any pattern in those numbers?
5, 13, 25, 41, 61. Not really. I mean, they don't seem to relate anyhow.
They're all multiples of 4, but that's kind of the triangular number.
Yeah, that was the triangular number pattern. That was a great pattern to see, by the way.
Well, we could look at how they increase.
Okay.
So this increases by 8.
All right, plus 8.
Plus 12.
Plus 12.
Plus 16. And plus 20. So you're adding 4 to what they increase by.
Yeah, so we almost have like a pyramid here. Plus 4, plus 4, plus 4 across the bottom of the pyramid. And then you go up So the next one's going to be plus 24.
Mhm.
And then 61 plus 24, whatever that is. So that's another kind of
wait,
fun.
hold on.
Okay.
So
Hold on.
if you kind of look at it this way, 4 plus 8 is 12. 8 plus 5 is 13. And that's just kind of a pattern there.
13 plus 25 is 19.
Yeah,
So
that's
doesn't
just
go
kind
up.
of the pattern.
Well, no, that's how you get it. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 8 is 13. 8 plus 4 is 12. 13 plus 12, 25. So that's how you go along the pattern. So the 4, this 4 here, I won't do it because that'll be off the screen, but this 4 adds to the 16 to give you 20. This 20 adds to the 41 to give you 61.
Cool.
It's an interesting pattern of differences.
Yeah.
And when you go down, however many layers you go down, it tells you the polynomial that you're going to use here. So when you go down n layers, it's a polynomial of degree n minus 1 actually. So this is going to be something. The count is going to relate somehow to n cubed. It might be like n cubed plus n squared plus n. It's actually n cubed plus n. I think it's 2n cubed plus n over 3 or something like that. But
It's cool.
it tells you the polynomial that counts these. Cool.
Yeah.
Great work, guys. Good job.